Are you tired of dealing with dull, damaged, or outdated floors in your factory building? Do you wish there was an easy solution to transform your environment with durability and style? Introducing our factory concrete flooring. Designed to elevate your space, our factory concrete flooring offers the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our concrete flooring is engineered to withstand heavy foot traffic and resist wear and tear. Plus, it's incredibly easy to maintain, saving you time and money in the long run. With our concrete floors, you can enjoy an elegant finish that enhances your environment and stands the test of time. Feel confident in your choice, knowing that you are investing in a flooring solution that combines beauty and resilience. Ready to transform your space with our durable and stylish concrete flooring? Take action now and contact us today for a free quote to revolutionize your flooring experience. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.